All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very quick video, so I want you to pay very close attention. I want you to open your Bittoken app. If you are on the website, if you are running it on a website, just open the website page, log into your account, and the first thing I want you to do is to click on profile. So I'm going to show you some steps that you are going to take right now so that I can send you the next update, income update on how to monetize your traffic and make 25,000 naira in the next 24 hours. So what you're going to do as soon as you receive this video link, just log in, open your Bittoken app, tap on profile. So if you are on the website, make sure you download the app. So once you tap on profile, you're going to see where you're going to download the app. Scroll down, click on Google Play and download the app or Play Store. So once you download the app, it's going to be easy for you to claim your rewards, your mining rewards every 2 hours. So another thing you need to do is to go and set your profile. So please make sure you go and set your profile. To set your profile, what you just need to do is to tap on edit profile here. You tap on edit profile. So once you tap on edit profile, it's going to open the form for you to fill in your full name, your Telegram username, your Twitter X username, your TikTok username, your Facebook name, and your Telegram ID, which is automatically going to be detected once you launch the bot. And to launch the bot, you just tap here. You just tap on this place, this blue link. Once you tap on it, it's going to open Telegram bot, and you are going to launch the Bittoken Telegram bot. So quickly, what I need you to do right now is to tap on team. The next thing I need you to do is tap on team. I need you to take a screenshot of your referral account so that I will be able to send you my next income update on how to start monetizing your team members using a traffic software that I am going to send traffic. I'm going to be sending traffic to your referrals, that is to your referral link. So once you tap on team, it's going to open this page like this for you. Once you tap on team, so what I need you to do is tap on referral list, friend list, tap on friend list. So I tap on friend list. So the next thing after tapping on friend is going to open this interface. So what you need to do is to tap on level 1. Yes, level 1. So tap on level 1. As you can see, I have my 12 referrals on my level 1, and you need 12 people minimum on your level 1. So tap on level 1 and just send me the screenshots of your level 1 referrals. Send it to my DM so that I can know how many referrals you have for level 1, and then I'm going to plug in your referral link into a traffic software that I am using, because the rule of this system, for you to be able to qualify to receive the reward, iPhone, iPad, and also the laptop, but you have to have at least 12 downlines in your first level. Then you need to have about 12 downlines also in your second level. That means your second level, they must have 12 downlines. That's 144 downlines. That means each one of them must have 12 downlines. That is 144 downlines in your second level. So that means if your first level referrals are inviting 12, so that means your second level referrals, they are going to have 144 here. So my next step is to build your downlines, your second level downlines. So, and there's a tracking software that I'm using to do that. So once you finish watching this video, just send me a screenshot of your first level referral. So then I'm going to send you how you are going to activate the traffic software so that I will start driving traffic to your second level referrals so that you can achieve your referral requirements and be able to qualify for the rewards, for the Bittoken reward. Now, the traffic software is going to be sending traffic to your downlines, and as it's sending traffic to your downlines, people you don't even refer, they are going to chat me, and I'm going to help you to be monetizing your traffic for you. So everyone that chat me are going to activate this traffic software for a little fee. It just costs small fee, and for every person that is activating this traffic software under you, you are going to be making 1,000 naira. So if 10 people activate the traffic software, that's 10,000 naira for you, and that can happen within 24 hours. So right now, I want to claim my mining rewards. So to claim your mining reward, you click on the mine here button, and then you click on claim. So if you are using the app, it become even times 2. You'll be able to watch ads. So let me click on watch ads so that I can watch ads and be able to get times 2 rewards. So it's loading for me the ads right now. So I want you to do this right now. Just make sure that you
still completing your task like this. No, I tell you. You may not dance faster and complete your task.
So I've just completed watching the ads, so I'm going to close the ads to get my rewards. All right, you can see I've gotten 120 reward points. Now, this reward point is a very powerful reward point that you must be claiming. So let me claim it. You can see I've just claimed 120 reward points instead of 60 rewards points. So make sure you are doing this every 2 hours. You come and claim your rewards point. I want to show you the value, the expected value of Bittoken. The more rewards points you get, the more Bittoken that you are going to gather. All right, so right now, for you to claim, let me come back again. I'm going to show you the expected value of this Bittoken. So you click on wallet, so it will bring you here. So you can see your reward points it gives you Bittoken. For every one reward point, you get 0.00094 Bittoken. So right now, I have 506,690 reward points, and it's equivalent to 479.29 Bittoken, and that is worth $238. So you can see. Let me zoom it, as you can see. So this is the this one here is a reward token. So why reward point? We call it reward point. 506,690. That's your reward point for claiming the mining, and also for completing tasks and for referrals. Everybody joining with your link, you will be earning 50 points per referral. So right now, the equivalent of this reward point is this 476.29 Bittoken. Your reward point is going to be generating you Bittokens. So this will blow your mind. Look at one Bittoken on listing day is going to be listed at $0.5. So that is why you must not joke with this update. When Bittoken is being listed in the coin market, it's going to be listed at least minimum of $0.5, and it can be more than that. It can even be more than up to $1. So, but the minimum right now that is going to be listed according to the community strength is $0.5. So that's why you must not joke with this. If you can mine up to 5,000 of this, you know what it means. That's a lot of money for you. So right now, let's come to mine section. I'm going to show you how to claim your Bittoken milestone reward. To claim your Bittoken milestone reward, you just tap on this icon, this Bittoken logo here. So that will open this page for you. As you can see, I have qualified for Diamond 2 because I have referred my first 12 people. So I have qualified for Diamond 2. So that will give me about, you can see, that is giving me 200,000 reward points. So if I click on this claim right now, I'm going to be having, you see, I'm going to having 200,000 reward points. That means I have qualified for Diamond 2. So remaining Diamond 3, you can see I have also qualified for Diamond 3. As you can see, 10 direct referrals, you see, for Diamond 3. So I'm going to claim my Diamond 3. So you can go ahead and be claiming your reward points for all the levels that you have accomplished. So I'm going to claim my Diamond 3. You can see I have qualified for Diamond 3. So it remains Diamond 4. So for me to qualify for Diamond 4, I need 12 direct referrals that have qualified for Diamond 3. So that is the next target for me, my next update is for you to activate your traffic software, which I'm going to be using to be sending traffic to the referral link you drop to my DM. So that's my next step, so that I'm going to be helping my direct downlines and your direct downlines to achieve this milestone. Because once I qualify for Diamond 4, then I have qualified for the reward for the laptop and the mobile phone, and also set to receive $25,000 within the next coming mining durations that remain for this token to launch. So what I need you to do right now is to go to team. I've shown you some of the navigations. So go to team, click on team. Then once you tap on team, you tap on, okay, right now, before then, let me show you how to claim all your rewards, your referral rewards. So once you click on team, click on this button here, this second button here, direct referral bonus. You click on it. So to bring you to this page, you see all the bonuses you have earned for every person you refer. So you just keep claiming them. You claim each one of them. You keep claiming all of them. Keep claiming them. You claim all of them. As you can see. So once you claim all of them, it will add more tokens. It will give you more tokens to your wallet. You claim all of them. So I'm claiming all of them. So right now, so after that, you tap on my team. You tap on team again. Tap on team. It will bring you here, back here. Then you click on direct referral extra bonus. That's the third button here. So you can see you can now claim all your direct referral extra bonus. You tap on here, you keep claiming, you claim all of them. You keep claiming, you claim all of them. So you come back again, you tap on my team. Go to my team again, you tap on the last button, 3-level rebate commissions. So you now tap on claim all. You can see these are all the rebate rewards of all your referrals. Each claiming they make, as they are mining, each claiming you earn rebate rewards. So you tap on claim all. So this is what you are going to be doing, how to use this app. So this video is very important. Make sure you share it with your downlines. So what you need to do is to tap on my team again. Tap on my team again. So this is what you just need to do. Tap on friend list. Go to friend list. Then you now tap on level 1. Then you take the screenshots of your level 1 referrals. I want to know the number of referrals you have for your level 1. Then send me the screenshots so that I can send you how to activate the traffic software, where I'm going to start driving traffic to your downlines in level 1 and in level 2. I'm going to start driving traffic to your downlines. And as I'm driving traffic to them, you will be earning extra income. Each person that chat me with your entry code and activate the traffic software, you receive 1,000. And if 10 people chat me, you receive 10,000. 5 people chat me, you receive 5,000. So once you activate the traffic software, it costs just more money. Once you come to my DM, just ask for how to activate the traffic software. Then I'm going to send you the step on how to activate the traffic software. Then I will start sending traffic to your level 1 and level 2 referrals. And then each person that activates the traffic software, you're going to receive 1,000. And once you have received 10,000, you are going to upgrade to the next level. You are going to upgrade once you have received 12,000, you are going to upgrade, because level 1 there you must have 12 people minimum. So once you have received 12,000, you are going to upgrade to next level, and you are going to receive 5,000 from 5 people, and that is going to give you 25,000, because 5 times 25 is 25,000. So that is the next update. So chat me right now after watching this video. Come to my DM and just screenshot your first level referrals, and then I'm going to send you the next step on how to activate the traffic software. Once you are paid for the traffic software, you will send me your account number where I'll be sending your payment. As the traffic, your direct referral and indirect referral, even people that I did not refer, they will be sending me your entry code, and then I'll be sending them how to activate the software. And for each person that activates the software, you are going to receive 1,000 naira. And once you have received 12,000 naira, you are going to upgrade to the next level. It's just two level system. So the second level, you are going to receive 5,000 naira upgrade fee from your first level referrals, and that is going to be 25,000. 5 times 5, 25,000, and that is it. You will be making about more than 25,000 naira even once you pay a small token for the traffic software. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial steps.